Hello, my dear children of ninth standard. Today, in this video, we are going to see a chapter from your supplementary, that is Moments. The name of the chapter is chapter number 9, The Accidental Tourist, written by Bill Bryson. The Accidental Tourist by Bill Bryson is a hilarious account of his personal experiences while traveling. The author says that for him, traveling is an ordeal full of catastrophes, and though he would love to give it up, he cannot because his work makes it necessary for him to travel frequently. So, let us begin the story, but very first I'll give you short introduction about the author Bill Bryson. Bill Bryson, William Bryson, took birth on 8th December 1951, is an American British author of books on travels, the English language, science, and other non-fiction topics. So now let us begin the story, The Accidental Tourist. The author finds that living in the real world is the most outstanding. Other people do things without any difficulty, but it is not so for him. A number of times he could not find the lavatory and toilet in a cinema. He also forgot his room number in a hotel. Once the author went on a big trip with his family. It was Easter, Christian festival. They were flying to England for a week. They were checking in Logan Airport in Boston. He remembered then that he had recently joined British Airways frequent flyer program. Now, frequent flyer program means if you travel more and more times from any airways, so they give you some facilities, benefits. So, he also remembered that he had put the card, frequent flyer program card, in his carry on bag, but it hung around his neck as the card was not getting, so he started searching in his bag. But the carry-on bag, it hung around his neck. The zip on the bag was jammed. He got angry. He pulled at it in anger. The zip gave way. His things like the tin of pipe tobacco, magazines, passport, money, etc., spread over a large area. He looked at these things in a great surprise. He cried at his tobacco because, as he was traveling to England, and there tobacco was costly. Also, he had got his finger injured. Blood was coming from it. There was a deep wound. He was greatly confused, and his wife looked at him in wonder. The author was always confused in his air travels. He caused great inconveniences to other passengers. Once he bent over to tie his shoelace. Then someone pushed his seat back. He got pinned, means he got caught on the floor. And after that, he had to catch of the man near him for support. So, by grasping the leg of the man near him, he saved him. On other occasion, he knocked soft drinks on to the lap of a lady 2 times. The lady looked at him in surprise. She uttered an oath with, "Oh!" This was not his worst experience. His worst experience was another. On a plane flight, he was writing his thoughts. He had his pen in his mouth and he was sucking thoughtfully on the end of his pen. And he had his pen in his mouth as he was sucking. So, the end of the pen, now what happened? It licked while he was talking to a lady next seat. He went to the toilet. He saw that his mouth, chin, tongue, teeth, and gums had got navy blue. The author's wife cautioned the children on the plane flights about the author. He would cut the meat, but it would fly. But when alone, he did not eat or drink, he would sit quietly. This would cut his laundry bills. So, means if he was not eating or drinking in a plane flight, so by this way he could manage to cut his laundry bills. Now the author did not get his flyer miles in that way, the facility, the benefits in that way. He could not find the card in time. He knew that others were flying first class to Bali with their air miles, with the benefits which they got, but he could not collect anything. He must fly 100,000 miles a year, but he had hardly gathered only about 212 air miles from 23 airlines. This was because he forgot to ask for the air miles. Sometimes the airline didn't record these. The airline clerk informed him that he was not entitled to them, means he was not applicable to them. Now, once in January, he flew to Australia. He hoped to get about a zillion air miles, means a large numbers of air miles, but the clerk told him that he was not entitled, he was not applicable. Now he asked the reason. So the clerk told that the ticket was in the name of B. Bryson, but the card was in the name of W. Bryson. And now what happened? So he explained that both Bill and William were hardly different. Means both were the name of the author, both were the name of the same person, but she didn't accept that. Means the clerk didn't accept that. Thus, the author didn't get his air miles. He won't fly to Bali first class, and he could never go that long without eating, because he did not get any benefit and he didn't get the point of frequent flyer program. So he could not go that long without eating, without any facility, without any benefits. So this was the summary of the chapter The Accidental Tourist by Bill Bryson. So read the chapter, watch the video. Thank you.